What's up guys, welcome back to my channel again and a brand new video, and in today's video I'll be telling you 4 best editing apps for your mobile phone. And even if you forget your laptop, you always have your phone so you can edit your videos on the go. And now, without wasting time, let's dive in. Okay guys, so as I said in my intro that I'll be telling you 4 best editing apps for your mobile phone, and I had also said that even if you forget your laptop, you always have your phone so you can edit your videos on the go wherever you want to and anywhere, but anywhere in the sense not in jungle. Okay, it's obvious no one will go to jungle and edit your videos, but yeah, I was just telling you guys. And yeah, so first I will tell you the names of the 4 apps, and then I will tell you some brief about those apps. And the number 1 app I want to tell you guys is the Adobe Premiere Rush. Then the second one is the Filmora. Then the third is the KineMaster, and then fourth is PowerDirector. So these are the 4 editing apps I have got you in this video, and I hope you will like this video and get some information from this video. And yeah, if you are interested, then click the subscribe button below and that's our notification bell so that you will not miss any of my new videos whenever I upload. And yeah, now I will tell you some brief about these 4 apps. And as I said before, the first one is the Adobe Premiere Rush. And so one more thing, these all 4 apps are free and you can download it from Google Play Store on your Android phone. And I'm not sure that some of these apps may not be available on iOS, and yeah, but I have tried downloading Adobe Premiere Rush, so yeah, I'm sure it's available and you can download it on your iPhone, iPad, yeah, or even on your laptop. But on a laptop, mostly people refer to download or get Adobe Premiere Pro. So yeah, that's one more editing app, and that's very famous, and most of the YouTubers use that software to edit their videos, and that's a very good app, and that's a little bit higher version of Adobe Premiere Rush. So that's one point over there. Okay, so keep that in mind that Adobe Premiere Pro is a little much higher than Adobe Premiere Rush. So basically, yeah, as you know by the title, I am telling you for your mobile phone and not for your laptops or PCs. Okay, so yeah, but I just want to make a point. And yeah, so all these apps are free, and as I said again that these may not be available on iOS, some of the apps. Then in Adobe Premiere Rush you will find those basic transitions and titles you want to add. And also with titles, if you are finding some animation titles, then yeah, you will find it in Adobe Premiere Rush. And so there is no option to make your own animation. So there are ready-made titles with animations, so you can just tap that title and it will be on your timeline above the video. And yeah, so you can then click on it or double click, then you can add your text, and then yeah, you will see the result. These all apps have basic transitions and titles you want, but there is one more thing in Adobe Premiere Rush. If you are finding some titles with glitch effect, so you will not find, and you also can't create your own. So yeah, but in Filmora you will get that effect, and that's a ready-made title, so you can just again click it and it will be on your video, not on your timeline but in your video. So yeah, then you can add the text. Now I will again tell you some information about Filmora. And So Filmora is again a very basic editing app for a mobile phone, and it does not require any money. You can freely download it on your mobile phone and no harm to your mobile phone, and I have used that. So there are some of the functions which are kind of different from other editing apps, but yeah, they are all the same. They have all the same functions, and so now I had tried to download this app on my recent mobile phone, which I am recording from now. So it said that it's an older version, so it will be not capable for this version of your mobile phone. And yeah, that time when I had Xiaomi's Redmi Note 5. That mobile was anyways not good, and it heated a lot when I used to edit my videos. But now on my phone, present phone, which is OnePlus 6T, and it does not get heat up that much, but it processes or renders your video. So at that time it might get little bit heat up, but yeah, other than that it's a very good phone, and you can see the result of my videos which I have recorded, and all of them I recorded on my phone. So yeah, except some of them my older videos, but yes. And then the third editing app which I said was the KineMaster. And so KineMaster is again a free editing app in which you can take your video and then edit. But in that you can also animate. I have seen you can't animate your videos in Adobe Premiere Rush and in Filmora, but you can animate your text in KineMaster, and also remove that green screen effect. So you can't do it on both the apps, on Adobe Premiere Rush and on Filmora. So yes, that's why I'm not able to add that green screen, and which I usually do, and yeah, which is the like button which comes from the left hand side, and the subscribe button which comes from the down. But yeah, I'm not able to add that because I use Adobe Premiere Rush, and I don't know how to use KineMaster. But yeah, if you are new and if you are trying to edit your video on KineMaster, then yeah, you will surely get it in some time. And you can also remove that green screen, as I said, and so that's a benefit for KineMaster, and even for you guys when you are editing your videos. And yeah, you can then animate your text. And yes guys, so these are some of the points for KineMaster. And now for PowerDirector. For this app, I don't know, as I haven't used this app, and but yeah, there is a disadvantage. And in these three editing apps, which are the Filmora, KineMaster and PowerDirector, you will find their logo on your video. So if you upload your video, then you will find their logo on some corner of your video, and that's a disadvantage. But yeah, it doesn't matter when you are starting, and yeah, people will get to know that your video has been edited on this app. But in Adobe Premiere Rush, you will not get anything like that, and yeah, you can then freely upload your video, and you will not find any logo or even a small sign of that Adobe Premiere Rush logo. And yes, then as I said, the last was the PowerDirector, and yeah, I don't know about that much. You can search it on Google or even YouTube. I'm just giving you some brief, and then I will I think in future I will do more video detail in these apps. If you want, And yeah, if you want, then do let me know in the comment section and we'll reply you for sure. So yeah guys, and if you have other questions, then also I will reply you. And yeah guys, so in PowerDirector you will find basic transitions and text, but in text I don't know if they are already animated, but yeah, you can try it. And so these are the 4 editing apps, and they are best in my case. So you can try these and try download it on your phone, and I can also link to download if you don't find that app on Google Play Store, but eventually you will find. But if you are lazy, I am helping you. You can directly go in my description and click that link, and then you will automatically go to that app in the Play Store. Or I will also try for iOS. And yeah, so if I do find, then you can read my description and I will put it. So yes guys, and other than that, yeah, this was the overall video, and I hope you had got some information from this video. And if you did, then give this video a like. If you are interested in my channel and like my content, then consider subscribing and click that small notification bell so that you will not miss any of my new videos when I upload. And yeah guys, so thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.